Bonjour, je m'appelle Gohe et c'est comme ça que je fais mon maquillage chaque jour. I'm a model and I work for a non-profit organization that empowers young women and children in Africa through education and arts. I was born and raised in Ethiopia, and I come from a family that was able to send me abroad so I could get my higher education. I went to French school for 13 years, and I've also lived in Paris for a little while. So French culture has had a huge impact and influence in my life. French girls come in all shapes and sizes and colors, so anybody that wants to embrace the French girl beauty look can do it. It's all about looking chic yet effortless. I like to keep it simple for an all-day look. I usually use a cat eye. It's a one-step look and you look polished without having to do much. A lot of people just think models are just a pretty face, but there's a lot more to us than what meets the eye. We all have purposes and most of us are very passionate about what we work for. I've always felt compelled to give whatever I can so people can get the similar opportunity. Confidence is the best beauty secret of all because you are embracing who you are and you can rock or do anything if you're confident. What I love most about what I do is being able to see the impact, where the fundraising goes, how the girls are affected when they receive their school supplies. That to me was a very exciting achievement. J'aime beaucoup mettre un rouge à lèvres. It's bright, bold, and beautiful and very French. Final advice when it comes to French beauty, be confident and play up your own beautiful natural features. Voilà, et c'est tout!